So I put these birds, 2 birds in here. How about that for a pairing cage? Just for now. Hopefully these guys get paired. I thought they were paired, but no. And I've got one more pair to put in here after these do get paired. Get them to get paired as well. Definitely a good pair. See how they go. And the brother of the one that's getting paired on that cage, I've got to put him back again because he didn't get paired either. All the rest did great. This did better. What I will be bringing with is the system of that silver saddle, which I tried to, but I've got to do one more time, which is okay. That's a master saddle, bigger than the parents, so that's pretty good. So that's what I want to put with that beautiful coloration right there. Eventually put into another saddle down the track. There is some hens, but they're very young at the moment, so they can't do much. Some of this, I reckon, will be a nice combo. And I reckon that's the best male for her at this stage.